Hi there, my name is David Mitchell. I'd just like to talk to you for a couple of minutes about a product that I have been introduced to in the last couple of months. I don't know how many of you out there have ever heard of the word glutathione, but 2 months ago I had never heard of the word. Just to let you know a little bit about myself, I'm a type 2 diabetic. I live in Colorado, and I've had diabetes for probably 11-12 years now, and I get approached all the time from people asking me to try this product, try that product, it's going to cure diabetes. So you can imagine I'm a little bit skeptical at times about these things, and I've tried many products. Some of them have worked minimally, but I'm here to tell you nothing has worked like the products that I was introduced to about 2.5 months ago. I've been taking them quite regularly, and just a couple things that I noticed right out of the gate was that I definitely had more energy, more stamina, was sleeping less, working longer hours. But I started noticing something when I went to some meetings in Utah that sort of blew me away. As you might imagine, I have to check my blood sugar several times a day, and I started noticing that my blood sugar levels were staying lower than my norms most of the time. As a matter of fact, normally I take two different types of insulin, Humalog and Lantus. Lantus is a 24-hour acting insulin, and Humalog is before meals. Generally it's based on what I'm going to eat, what my blood sugar is before the meal. I noticed I generally take about 15 to 20 units of Humalog a day and about 38 to 40 units of Lantus per day. I noticed that I was feeling like I was going to crash and crashing, and for those of you that don't know what that means, my blood sugars were plummeting more than before I started taking these glutathione stimulant products. Well, I started checking my blood sugar more often and really monitoring it, and I started noticing that I actually was only taking per week the amount that I had normally been taking per day, 8, 10, 11 units a week, whereas before it was that per day. So if this has piqued your interest at all, go ahead and look around on my blog and click on the website below here, and you can learn more about glutathione yourself and all the many diseases that it can and possibly will help, because it helps your body heal itself. Thanks for listening.